welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to this beautiful April 2007 Vanquish S Coupe. Last of the Newport Pagnell era vehicles. This car has covered 5,922 miles from new with an Aston Martin service history. This particular car is finished in Onyx black, which was one of the later colours for the new generation or the VH cars which came from DB9 onwards. But it looks absolutely stunning on this vehicle, and overall this car is in impeccable condition both on the outside and also on the inside. So introduced in 2002, the Vanquish came with a 460 horsepower V12 engine and also had a automated manual gearbox. The Vanquish S was reintroduced with a lot of featured changes, with a slightly different front end, new brakes and suspension, some changes to the gearbox, and also a 530 horsepower engine. This particular car, being one of the later models, the 2007, they were very much a standalone car, and believe it or not, was in Die Another Day in 2002 and was voted one of the best film cars of all time. Running down the side of this vehicle, some of the changes that had been made on this car were the optional black brake calipers that we have on the car, but also we have these beautiful silver and diamond turn wheels wrapped in your Yokohama tyres. On the inside of the car, Vanquish S also got updated seats. This particular car has the perforated seat centres, which pretty much most of the vehicles would have had in and around that sort of era, but we also have the quilted headlining, and it's also finished in Obsidian black with a match to stitching or match to leather stitch on the car. Being the much later car, a lot of people, these are known as the big screen Vanquish S's. So these had the DB9 dash displayed upside down, so you have a more modern navigation system with Bluetooth and also CD auto changer and that sort of thing in the head unit of the vehicle. As you can probably see on this car, just looking down the side of it, it is in lovely, lovely order. So this vehicle will be available on the timeless scheme through ourselves, and we'll need to go through the workshop and have all its pre-safety checks. But having had a look over the vehicle already before we've done anything, there isn't a great deal that would make a very, very nice car on this vehicle. Heading round on the driver's side, you'll also notice some of the updates that were made to the vehicle. So we have a slightly different dash pod on the car, and as you can see the mileage on the vehicle there. But also you have things like the embossing on the headrests, and also you've got your electric seats with your memory function, and you've also got the high grade radio as well. Some other nice features that you had on Vanquish S, we have the chrome strip that runs over the top of the car, around the boot lid and back again. And these were sort of nice features and changes that they made for Vanquish when they reintroduced the vehicle in 2004. So yeah, thank you very much for spending a bit of time with us looking around this beautiful 2007 Vanquish S. If you need any further details on the vehicle, do give us a call here at HWM. Either speak to us in the showroom, or you can drop us an inquiry through our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching.